Hello, friends! Welcome back to Learn with Art. Today, we're going on a magical adventure. Let's learn and have fun together. Are you ready? Let's go!
A bright red balloon floating near. A bright red balloon floating near. 21, 21, what's in view? A shiny red car speeding through. 22, 22, come and see. Two happy puppies playing with glee. 22, 22, come with me. Two sweet ice creams, yummy as can be. Twenty-three, shining bright. A rainbow appears, such a lovely sight. 23, 23 was flying high. A butterfly dancing up in the sky. 24, 24, up in the air. A colorful kite soaring everywhere. 24, 24, twinkling so far. A bright yellow light from a glowing star. 25, 25, let's have fun. A big birthday cake for everyone. 25, 25, oh so sweet. A red apple hanging on a tree. 26, 26, hop and play. A green little frog jumps all day. 26, 26, what do we see? A grassy green field so wild and free. Field so wild and free. A shiny blue truck rolls along. 27, 27, look and see. A pink flower blooming next to me. 28, 28, floating light. A purple balloon takes a flight. 28, 28, drifting slow. A soft purple cloud begins to glow. 39, 29, gliding low. A white swan swims in a gentle flow. 29, 29, hopping near. A fluffy white bunny so full of cheer. 30, wave goodbye. A sunset glows across the sky. 30, 30, tall and green. A giant tree so strong and serene.
Great job, friends! You did amazing today. Don't forget to come back for more fun with Art and his friends. See you soon!